us have a little talk with Jesus. Let us tell him all about our troubles. He will hear our faintest cry. He will answer by and by. Now when you do the prayer will turn, you will know the fire is burning. You will find a little talk with Jesus makes it right. We've got a ray of cheer, and then clouded up behind the light of day. The mist of sin may rise and hide the starry skies, but just a little talk with Jesus clears the way. Now let us have a little talk with Jesus. Let us tell